bandsaw in our shop. It cut curves, circles, and irregular shapes. This bandsaw can cut aluminum and steel. Rule number one, you always want to adjust the guard 1/4 inch above your workpiece. An easier way to measure that, other than with a ruler, is with a pencil, which is always going to be 1/4 inch. So you could just place it like that and measure the guard to go higher or lower than your piece. You want to keep your fingers at least 3 inches away from the bandsaw, never in front of it, always on the sides of it. Piece of material is too small, you want to use the push stick, which allows you to hold it from the sides and do any of the operations that you need to do on the bandsaw. When cutting curves on the bandsaw, like as shown by this drawing, you always want to make relief cuts in your piece as to not twist or break the bandsaw blade. Relief cuts are small cuts along the curve that you have drawn so you don't bind the blade on the bandsaw. Cutting on the bandsaw, you always want to make sure that you're cutting on the waste side of your piece, so the side that you don't want to keep, instead of cutting on the good side that you do want to keep.